Welcome back to my channel, and we are here for another session under the Wellness Project with Skin Desire Green Hills branch. For this session, we will use M-Sculpt for our abdomen. M-Sculpt can be used to tone abdominal muscles and eliminate fat deposits on the waist. So ito yung pinaka-machine niya, tinuturo sa akin ni Ate Lorna, and napakita niya ako ano ba yung features ng machine kasi yung M-Sculpt, hindi lang siya pang chan, pwede rin sa arms, and pwede rin sa thighs, pwede rin sa buttocks area. So with this one, it can also use in tightening and sculpting the target area. M-Sculpt is non-surgical, non-invasive, and uses a painless applicator that transmits energy safely through the skin to stimulate the underlying muscles. So, M-Sculpt is not just effective, it's also time efficient. O sa mga walang time mag-gym dyan, okay, gaya ko na minsan tatamad-tamad mag-exercise, okay, in just a 30-minute treatment session, you can reap the benefits of thousands of crunches or squats. Each M-Sculpt session is equivalent to performing around 20,000 muscle contractions. As in, ramdam na ramdam mo yan kapag nag-start yung treatment. It will actually save you countless hours at the gym. This convenience allows you to integrate M-Sculpt into your routine without disrupting your daily activities, making it an ideal option for individuals with hectic schedules. So, masaya ako na may M-Sculpt yung package ko kasi tulad niyan, kahit hindi ako active yung lifestyle ko, hindi ganun ka-active yung lifestyle ko when it comes to exercising, at least merong ganito. So, gumagalaw, natatagtad niya talaga yung chan ko. So, M-Sculpt provides different intensity levels which you can determine if bearable ba siya sa inyo or not. Kapag masakit, just let the tech know para they can adjust it accordingly. Personally, I can handle yung maximum intensity niya kasi siguro nasanay yung katawan ko sa core exercises before, even in college. So, in fairness, makakatulog ka pa rin kahit doing this, and you can also do other treatments while undergoing M-Sculpt. So, dito sa video na to, sa vlog na to, makikita nyo na nagpa-facial pa ako while doing this kasi pwede talaga. And after the treatment, akala ko, yung parang pawis ka. Akala ko gano'n, mapapawisan yung arms, ay yung pinaka-waist areas mo. But no, hindi pala ganon, pero ramdam mo yung init and yung pagod after. Talagang ramdam mo na akala mo nag-exercise ka, but hindi talaga. So, here's the rest of the treatment. Hope you enjoy watching it. And I hope you can try the M-Sculpt treatment at the Skin Desire Green Hills branch.